Okay, thank you for purchasing a mobile FD. As you can see, we have the box here. When you open it, you'll have your FD pendant. To turn it on, you can press the side button here that also has a phone symbol on it. It'll vibrate and then we can see the lights starting to flash. Your FD will come with a bit of charge, but we do recommend you plugging it into the cradle when you first get it. So you can do that by opening up the box properly. We've got the cradle here. We have the cord and we have the plug. To plug it in, we open this and the small end goes into the cradle first. You'll see the plug at the back and you just put it in. If it doesn't go in straight away, just fiddle it around with it a bit until it plugs in just like that. The other end will go into the plug. And the same thing, if it doesn't go in straight away, you can just swap it around and it'll go in like that. We'll plug it in at the power point. And then we can put our device in the cradle. You know that it is going on in properly when you see the red light come on it like this, and also the blue light on the side. If you don't have it in properly, the red light won't come up and you just need to push it in a little bit more until it comes on. Once you've plugged it in and it's charging, it'll take about 45 minutes to an hour to fully charge up. You can then do a test run to make sure that you know how it works and your contacts know how it works as well. Now that we've plugged the pendant into charge, it will take approximately 45 minutes to fully charge up. At this stage, we're now ready to do a test run of the unit. Before we do this, you'll need to contact your contacts to let them know that you're doing a test run so they know not to worry about you. To do the test run, all you have to do is press the SOS button for 3 seconds until it vibrates. At this time, your contacts will all receive a message. It will have information about your location in the message. As you can see, our first contact here has received the message and you can see the information that's in there. If you click the link to the Google Maps, it'll take you to Google Maps and they'll be able to see where you are. It will then start calling your first contact, who will then answer, and then he can talk to me through the pendant. The important thing for your first contact to know is to press number 1 on the keypad, which will then stop the call from going to the other contacts. When I talk into the pendant, then I can talk to Brody and tell him if I'm okay or if I need help. Help me, Brody.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, could you please call an ambulance?
Sure.
Thank you. Then we can hang up, and that's all you need to do. Thank you for purchasing a mobile FD. If you have any questions or queries, then you're most welcome to contact us.